Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Naren Kumar. This is your sir Naren Kumar. ఈరోజు మనం types of sentences. Sentence, first of all, what is sentence? Group of words which gives meaning or sense is a sentence. Group of words. Okay. So depend on their nature, the sentence are four types. Sentence are four types. So those four types of sentences are. There are four types of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence. So we have four types of sentences all together. Okay, so first let's start with the first one. The first one is assertive sentence or affirmative sentence or declarative sentence. Assertive or affirmative or declarative sentence. Okay, let's start. First one, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence that makes a statement or an assertion. It makes it makes a statement or assertion. So it's a most of the 90% of our textual one are all assertive sentences. We call this sentence assertive sentence or declarative sentence or affirmative sentence. So this is the first sentence. So assertive sentences means just like a statement. So it starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Ends with full stop. So assertive sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. That is assertive, declarative or affirmative sentence. Take for example how they are. Example, Ravi is a good boy. Ravi is a good boy is an assertive sentence. Or he is my classmate. He is my classmate. This is also, you look at this. This letter starts with capital letter, statement, ends with full stop. Capital letter and ends with full stop. It's a statement. It's a statement. So 90% of our text, 90% of sentences mostly belongs to assertive sentence or declarative or affirmative sentence in English. Okay, or and another example, the sun rises in the east. This is also an assertive sentence. So assertive sentences are just a statement or they express an assertion. Okay, they are called assertive sentences. So what is the next sentence? This is very important. The second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative, interrogation, interrogation means what? Asking question, asking questions. So it's about questions. So the sentence ends with, we can easily identify these sentences that ends with a question mark. At the end of each sentence we have a question mark, so that we can easily identify this is whenever we see a question mark at the end of the sentence, we can easily say that is an interrogative sentence. But interrogative sentence are two types. One is uh, WH questions. WH questions. Interrogative sentence are two types. First one is WH questions. WH questions means what? Any questions that starts with WH words. That means what, when, where, how, why. These are these are all, look at this, all starts with the WH word, so that we call them WH questions. These are WH questions. The actually in the second type of interrogative sentence are yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. This is second one. Of course, this one is interrogative sentence. This one also interrogative sentence, but that is a WH questions. These are yes or no questions. Why we call them yes or no? Because these questions have only answers either yes or no. For example, can you speak English? Can you speak English? So any question mark. So what is the answer for this? Either you say yes or no. That's why these questions we call yes or no questions. This always starts with auxiliaries, helping verbs. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? These are also yes or no questions. So first one is assertive or if affirmative or declarative sentence. There's a second one is interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, we can easily identify. We can see there is a question mark either in WH questions or yes or no question. WH questions means already you know what's your name. What's your name? This is interrogative sentence. So we can see there is a question mark at the end of the sentence. So this is the interrogative sentence. Go for the next one. That is a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means what? Which expresses command, command, request, request, or wish. So any imperatives that comes under imperative sentences. So first one is assertive or affirmative or declarative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, we have two. Of course, both are ends with a question mark. Now this is the third one in the sentences. That this is the imperative sentences. So imperative sentences means commands. Take for example, open the door. Open the door. It's a command. This is an imperative sentence. Okay. Or request. Please bring me a glass of water. Please bring me a glass of water. Please bring me a glass of water. So that is a imperative sentence. So especially in the imperative sentence, you miss a subject most of the times. So that is a one clue. But we, by the nature of the sentence, we have to decide whether it is an imperative sentence or assertive sentence. You may get you may confuse by the sentence. Get well soon. Your wish. Get well soon. That is wish. So imperative sentences are like this. So the last one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence means which express exclamatory sentences express express sudden feelings, emotions, emotions. Okay, strong feelings or emotions. So we can see in the exclamatory sentence there is a symbol. This is exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory mark. So whenever you see exclamatory mark, you can easily identify this is an exclamatory sentence. So there are just certain feelings and emotions. We can see some words, especially in exclamatory. Alas, alas. He has no more. He is no more. Next, Bravo, what a shot, what a shot. Or hooray, in happy, hooray, we won the match, we won the match. So hooray, elos, bravo, oh, sh, like this. Any, what a beautiful garden, what a beautiful, beautiful garden. This is, don't think whenever see this what, this is not a interrogative sentence, mind you, there is no question mark at the end of the sentence. What a beautiful garden, what a beautiful garden. Sudden surprise, whenever you sudden emotion, feelings, okay, ouch, someone gives you pain, you can shout like this, ouch. So these are the exclamatory sentences. You understand? So we have four types of sentences altogether. That is, first one is assertive sentence or declarative sentence or affirmative sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel.